Have you ever wondered why your downloads in Internet Download Manager feel slower than they should? The good news is that you don't need faster internet to get the best performance from IDM. In this video, I'll show you 5 simple settings that can help optimize your download speed in just a few minutes. First, increase the maximum number of connections. More connections allow IDM to download different parts of a file simultaneously, which can improve download performance on servers that support multiple connections. I recommend setting it to 32 or max. Going higher doesn't always make downloads faster and may not be supported by every server. Browser integration is another important setting. Make sure your preferred browser is checked and the IDM extension is installed. This helps IDM automatically capture downloads and use its download engine instead of the browser's default downloader. If speed limiter is enabled, IDM intentionally reduces your download speed. Unless you need to save bandwidth for other activities, keep this option turned off to allow IDM to use your available connection. Finally, always use the latest version of IDM. Updates often include performance improvements, bug fixes, and better compatibility with modern browsers and websites. Here's a bonus tip. If you're downloading a large file, close unnecessary applications that use your internet connection, such as cloud sync software, game launchers, or torrent clients. This gives IDM more available bandwidth to work with. And that's it. Those are 5 simple settings that can help you get the best performance out of Internet Download Manager. If this video was helpful, leave a like, subscribe to Pixel Tech ID, and turn on notifications for more Windows tips, software tutorials, and PC optimization guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.